Hey friends, if you wish to remove removable storage devices folder from your desktop, then please watch this video. So here's the interesting thing. So whenever we open this PC here on File Explorer, let us say this was the removable storage. Now I have removed it, okay, but it still appears here. So I can right click in the open space, select show more options and refresh the page, or simply restart the computer. But if that doesn't help either, then I can right click and try to remove it manually. Okay, we have this option to eject it. I will eject it manually, okay, and this usually solves the problem. But if that doesn't work either, then the last option is a malware scan. Press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command MRT and hit enter. Okay, this will open the malware removal tool. Click on yes. Now click on next and select full scan. Select next. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.